In this video, we are going to see how we can enable the mouse cursor when playing the games. Because many times you notice that whenever you're playing a game, mouse cursor disappears when playing games in the full screen mode especially. So here's what you can do. First of all, I am using Windows 11, but if you're using a different version, the options might be different, but for most of the part, it will be the same. So just go to the start menu and right here, control panel, just go in here. And once you click in the control panel, you need to click on the mouse option right here. And once we click here, you need to go on the second tab, that is pointers. And once we are in here, we need to click on the third tab, which is pointer options. And here, if this display pointer trails is enabled, you need to disable this and click on apply and OK. And that should solve a problem. So if it does, just comment down below. But if it doesn't, something else what you can do here is just go and open the start menu and right here settings. And once we click on the display settings and when we are in the settings, just click on the system option on the left and click on the display option on the right hand side. Now once we are in here, we need to make sure that the scale level is set to 100%, which is recommended. So right now it's set to 125. So let me change it to 100%. That's the recommended size. And as you can notice that the text size and the overall screen size has changed. And apart from that, you need to check the details in the game settings as well. So maybe that's the problem of the resolution inside the game. That's why the mouse is, and you are not able to use the mouse. So that might be the issue. So any of these options might solve your problem. So just comment down below if that works for you, and I will see you in the next one.